Welcome back to Tiny Haven Studio. As promised, this week we're diving into the demolition stage of the renovation, which is so satisfying to watch. And I have to say, I could not have done this renovation without the help of my friends, specifically this stage and the framing out stage. If you watched last week's video, you saw that I ripped up the majority of flooring in the first 2 days of owning the home. And then over that next week, there was 2 or 3 nights that a bunch of my good friends came over and I supplied food, drinks, a bunch of safety gear, and they helped me knock out 80% of the demolition work in just those 2 or 3 nights, which was a huge, huge help. One unique thing that I did that I was super thankful for that my brother told me to do was, instead of renting a dumpster and putting it on my driveway, which is basically just a huge sign to people if they're driving past that the home is being renovated and potentially not lived in, I had everyone store all of the demo trash in my garage, and 2 or 3 times across the entire renovation project, I hired a construction company that came in, cleaned out the garage, hauled it off for me. It was so much easier for me. So I hope you enjoy watching this week's video. Thanks again for being here.